Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Windows Shift and S key shortcut in order to capture screenshots on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by just tapping the Windows Shift and S key combination on our keyboard at the same time. And before we actually do a screenshot or screen clipping, we can go up and check out some of the settings up at the top here. So if you want to just do a normal snipping mode, so you can just go ahead and highlight over something like that, that's one way you can do it. You can see it opens up in the snipping tool. However, there's another option here as well. There's a few other things I want to go over while we're talking about that. So there's other options for like free form. So if you go underneath snipping mode, click the drop down. You can select different types of screen snipping. So you can do a window mode. So if there's a specific application that's open, it'll just capture the contents within that screen. You have full screen mode, which as it applies will just do the whole screen, like the print screen button on some keyboards. And there's also free form here, so you could do a custom shape if you so choose. And then once that's done, it should be copied to our clipboard. If you wanted to go ahead and paste it into Microsoft Word or something, you're welcome to just do Control V to paste it in. So we open up WordPad, for example, just paste it in. You can see it shows up right here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And that's about it. As always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.